Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You have data today and you want it usable tomorrow, so begin by validating schema and primary keys now. Once done, start an incremental ingest path. Use CDC or a timestamp daily batch to capture only new rows. Make sure to tag every record with ingestion time and source ID so you can filter and reconcile later. While you set this up, configure basic monitoring so failures alert you. This first step turns raw arrivals into predictable, queryable datasets for tomorrow. Next, you convert raw ingests into reliable production datasets. You should create idempotent transform jobs so reruns don't duplicate data. Use deterministic keys and enrichment rules. Then materialize outputs as partition tables or date partition Parquet files to reduce scan costs and speed queries. Also, prepare pre-aggregations or indexes for the queries you expect tomorrow. While doing this, validate record counts and key integrity. These middle steps ensure the data is accurate, performant, and ready for downstream use. Finally, deliver the prepared data to consumers so it's available tomorrow. Push views, refresh BI cubes, or expose APIs during an agreed window. Once delivered, run automated verification. Compare row counts, checksums, and null rate thresholds against expectations. If something fails, make sure you can roll back to the last good snapshot and rerun idempotent transforms. This avoids cascading errors. One troubleshooting tip: if reconciliation errors persist, isolate by source and replay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.